Now we are going to talk about a very interesting topic that has been caused a lot of controversy. This topic is the printing of organs. What if we could print organs and tissues? Every year around the world, more and more people suffer disease that require an organ transplant to be healed. The main difficulty to transplant is the lack of organ donors, which is translated in patients mortality and timing exponential growing in waiting list. For example, in Mexico, there are only 5 organ donors for millions of inhabitants. It's not enough. So, have you ever asked yourself how can this be solved? Since its creation, 3D printers have been a big support to medicine, which new print prostheses, bones, organs, tissues, etc. But the new goal is to create organs and tissues that can be printed by special machines and that will not only finish with the big waiting list but also with the majority of the transplant rejections. The bioprinting promised to mix the work of 3D printers and the laboratories and take cells to transform them in organs especially done for the patients. Until now, it has not been possible to print a heart or a kidney, but it was possible to create a trachea to a little girl using her own mother cells. And how does bioprinting works? This process consists on a different stage. First of all, the scientists take samples of tissues and mother cells. They cultivate these samples and wait in them to multiply in the laboratory.
Then, these cells become some kind of biological ink that is used to print the organs. This printer is designed to create different organs, and after this, the printed cells are implanted in the patient hoping that they can fuse with already existing cells in the body. This bioprinting technique is destined to bring the benefits to the transplanted area. If this worked, people would not need to wait for a donor. Only in the USA, 18 persons die every day waiting for a transplant. This new medical technology that is still being tested could let us replicate organs by using the original mother cells and 3D printer. This is an idea of Organovo, one of the companies that invest and study the bioprinting. This new technology could finish by 2020 and it could start helping those persons whose life depend on a new organ. In many cases, the tissues printed could save the limb of those who have been destined to amputation. Also, this could make the burn people treatment easier or even give some ill people new organs to improve their health. As you can see, the creation of biological printer could save lives and help in a lot of medical treatment. Because of this, it is very important to know more about this topic. Someday we might need it. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you have learned a lot.